Yeah, I'm dripping junket. How you doing? Ralfy here. Team Knucklehead. Now, few things different in this video. First of all, thanks for all the love and support after the sad passing of my stepdad last weekend. Not totally unexpected, but he sort of fucking went off there quickly at the end. Bastard. Strange fucking days. Strange days, bless him. Lots of love if you can hear this. Secondly, I'm actually doing this review for Vapes Motel. Yeah. Which is a new website that only stocks from the UK and only does regulated tanky things and juice, pretty much. And the things that you need to keep them going. So, consumables for said devices. Let me have a quick vape. So it's Ralph here, Team Knucklehead, for vapesmotel.com. Go and check it out. The thinking behind it is that Knucklehead Vapes has a really good reputation for mechs, RDAs and styled and a few authentics, and we wanted to shift. We wanted to aim at these, really. So we thought we'd give it a go with Vapes Motel. Anyway, let's get on. So today we're going to be looking at the Cube kits. There we go, quick flash up. Cube kits by OBS. Little self-contained battery mod that's variable wattage. Can't remember what it goes up to, but we'll have a look at the box and that'll tell us. And it comes complete with a little tank. Yeah. The tanks, because of the TPD, only hold 2 ml of juice. But this has got a bubble glass on, which extends out to 4 ml. And to be quite honest, that's okay. It's okay. Let me have a vape again. I've been using this since it came in, which is a couple of weeks now, and it's fucking great. It really is great. You have to top it up a little bit, but you know, it only holds 4 ml of juice. You don't get through as much as you would if you were dripping, and the flavour is fucking on point. It's got replaceable coils that last me about a week, and a full charge lasts almost a day. If I carry this on one other device, so if I drip at home and have this while I'm out, or if I use this all the time but have another tank or a dripper or a pod or a whatever, the charge lasts all fucking day. Can't go wrong. Charges with a mini USB, so your phone charger is going to fit, although you get a lead with it. You get a spare glass, you get a spare coil. We'll have a look what comes in the box when we go close up. And I have to say, we asked around to see what was popular. We got a really good couple of friends that work in a vape shop in Wales. So a big shout out to fucking Chris and Ginge. Hope you're doing okay, lads. And they said the Cube is fucking on point, and they were fucking right. Thank you very much. So, another vape. So without any further ado, we'll go in close. We'll have a look at what comes. We'll talk about changing the coils and the glass and all that shit. It's really, really simple, filling them up and everything. It really is a piece of piss. This one's a Cube, with a Cube RDA. They also do, tank. They also do a Cube Mini, which is very much the same thing, but you can't turn it up and down. It's just a press and go job. So you hit the button, you have a vape, fucking yada yada. Everything's fucking PJ. Yeah. So let's go in anyway. Have a look at what it comes with. Have a look at it close up. And I'll see you in a minute. Alright, here it is. The Cube kit, OBS Cube kit, yeah, fucking cracking. Anyway, comes in a box, no shit, with the fucking silly warning on, because there's nothing in it. It's bollocks, utter bollocks. Anyway, Your scratch and sniff fucking verification. Let's get in. So, get out of the way, excuse me. A little instruction book, tells you how to use it, although I'm about to do that, and it's really fucking simple. Little fucking scanning doodah that you can scan and have a look at. Yep. There's your charging leads in there. There's your tank. There's your mod. There's your spare glass. And some seals. There's your spare fucking coil. That's it. Dead simple. Right? Let's get the glass. Look, you can see, this is the TPD silly fucking wank stain little shitty fucking capacitor. And you can see mine's fatter. Because I've got a bubble glass on. Available separately. Right, let's put this away. So, it really is a fucking piece of piss. You just whack the tank on. Like that. To fill it up, you turn this top, yeah, and pull it off. It's almost like a light bulb, old-fashioned light bulb, where it's like a bayonet fitting. So it goes on one way only. Well, two ways if you turn it right round. Like that. So it goes flat, and then you turn it, and it locks. And when you take that off, there's two massive gaping fucking slots that you fill it up with. Piece of piss. When it comes to change your coil, you unscrew the bad boy. Undo the bottom, if I can. This one's a bit tight because it's brand new. There's your coil. Take it out. Throw it away. Put a new one in. Bear with. Put a new one in, he says. Then fucking, there you go. Put a new one in. Couple of drops down there. Put it all back together. Top off. Fill it up. Let it soak. And you're good to fucking go. How easy is that? So once a week you might have to do that. I need to do it on mine. But I'm going to vape that juice out because I'm a bit fucking tight like that. Whack it on the mod. And you can fire away. You fucking off you go. Like, I won't fire this one up because it's got no juice in. And it's actually taken from stock. So someone's going to buy this and it's going to have no fucking cellophane on the box and my fingerprints all over it. So bless you. So pop that away, look, like that. Fucking charger cable back in there. All the bump back in. If you order one and it's got no cellophane on, it's this very fucking one. I've fumbled it, look. Fuck that. It's because I won't explain, but the camera setup I use is farcical. Right, here's my bad boy. So like I said, I've been using this for a while. I fucking love it. Let's look at the display and the function. So if this will focus, which it probably won't. There you go, 55 watts. You can see it's got a little padlock. So the power's locked, look. It don't go up or down. To unlock it, you press up or down 3 times in quick succession. 1, 2, 3. Oh, let's try down. 1, 2, 3. There you go, it's unlocked. Now you can turn it down. You can turn it up. To lock it again, just press fire. It's locked. So you can't fuck with it now. And it'll fire. Every time you push that button. To stop it firing, if you put it in your pocket, go 5 clicks. Yeah. And that'll turn it off. 5 clicks will turn it back on again. And it will also change the puff count. See, it's got a little puff count on there. Not that that bothers me. I'm trying not to get the reflection of the roofing so you can see it. Let's try a bit of both. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll try it quicker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third time is a fucking charm. Goodbye. Gone. It's dead, look. Nothing. Don't do anything. Here's your charging port. Mini USB. Job's a fucking good one. Try it again. 5 times on OBS, puff count's gone to 0 and you're good to go again. It's that simple. Yeah, you can adjust the airflow. It's got a little slot, look. You adjust the airflow on from fuck all to quite gaping, actually, quite wide open. So that's alright. And there you go, it's that simple. Tank on, full of juice, 5 clicks, vape. If you don't like the power, 3 clicks, turn it up or down. Press again, it's locked. To turn it off, 5 clicks. To 0 it, turn it off then on again. And it'll register a puff after half a second. So we do it 5 second, look, 7, that was 0.7 of a second. Registers a puff. If you do a quick little burst, it don't. But nobody drags for fucking half a second. Half a second or more will take your puff count up, off and on again, or 0 it out. Shows your ohms, shows your volts, shows your wattage, shows your battery power. It's also got a pass-through, so when you're charging it up with a mini USB, you can still vape. So you sit there with a lead in, vaping away. Fucking great. Lovely bit of kit. Got stuff on the bottom designed by OPS. 3,000 mAh battery capacity. So it's a good one. Bit of chunk missing out of mine where I've dropped it. And it's not, stops it working. Quite a robust little thing. Quite heavy as well. Comes in a myriad of colours. Vapes Motel do 3, I think, which is alright. Let's go back up top. Talk a bit more. Yeah? See you in a minute. Yeah, so there you fucking go. There's the Cube by OBS. Now, when we all start vaping, we all go on a bit of a vape journey, don't we? And we'll start with, depending on when you started, I had a K-Fun and a 30 watt box. Can't remember what fucking box it was now. It was quite a while ago. Anyway, we all go on a journey and we start with different devices and we move through and we progress and we end up on mechs and RDAs or we end up on tanks or whatever. I never thought that tanks would get there, but this fucking has. Yeah. So easy. No mess, no fuss. Just vape and fucking go. The pods kind of got me into it. If you check out me, my pod video, I've actually moved on from that and now I use a different one that I should do a review of, really. The Onion, we call it, which is an Orion. Really good little devices. So I use that if I'm podding. I use this if I'm tanking, and I use me mechs and RDAs if I'm dripping, obviously. But fucking, yeah, good. I'm really surprised at how good they are, how easy they are to use, and how satisfying, I guess is the word. You know, yeah, I was always, tanks are all right, but it's a bit watered down. It's not like dripping. You don't get that flavour. You don't get that cloud. You don't get that warm, satisfying vape sensation that you get from an RDA. And no, it's not an RDA. And it don't produce like an RDA does, but it's fucking all right, you know. Alice switched completely to pods or tanks. She don't drip anymore, and she was fucking hardcore dripper. You know, I used to have to make her 5 litres of her favourite juice at a time because she was a fucking animal. Now she just fucking goes away on the tank all day, goes away on the pod all day. Everyone's a winner. The windows in the house are cleaner. I'm not saying don't drip. I'm not saying don't do it if you enjoy it. Fucking stick with it. I still drip. I still do mechs. What I'm saying is that don't roll out these sort of things as an option because they have come on leaps and fucking bounds. It's a good one. It's a winner chicken fucking dinner, and you will be on that steam train to Flavour Town, surprisingly, for a regulated device with a fucking tank. Yeah, your eyes do not deceive you. I am using a regulated device and a tank, and I'm saying it's alright. It's fucking alright. In fact, it's good. I really like it. I'll put a link in. Go check out the website. Please add it to your bookmarks. Please join our Facebook group for regular Vapes Motel giveaways and Knucklehead Vapes giveaways. Pre-orders on stuff so you can get them before we stock them, and you always get a real good deal. There's regular group discount that runs all the fucking time on both websites, and it's a winner chicken fucking dinner. So thanks for watching. Thanks for all the well wishes. I hope you enjoyed this. Also, for those of you that are still watching, you'll notice there's a random ass shit playlist. It's unsurprisingly, my life's not all about vaping, although obviously it's a big fucking player. Do other shit as well, and I'm gonna be doing a few videos, as random as it is, maybe some cooking, don't know, maybe some welding, maybe some of the other shit that I do, maybe some fabricating, maybe some tattooing, just little snippets of the other things that I enjoy doing that you might enjoy looking at. So keep checking out that random ass shit fucking playlist and enjoy, hopefully. So big love, everyone. Thanks for watching again, and remember people, smoking kills, vaping saves lives. It's good to be back, and have a fucking good one. See you later.